Platinum silicone. The world's first fully functional, self-sealing, reusable alternative to single-use plastic bags. Plus, unlike traditional single-use plastic bags, stasher bags contain no BPA, no PVC, and no latex. Keep your food safe from contaminants in stasher bags. Eliminate single-use plastic waste. Each stasher eliminates thousands of single-use plastic bags from ending up in our oceans or landfills. Pinch-Loc TM. Features the innovative airtight Pinch-Loc TM to keep food fresh to store, marinade, and sous vide. Keep your food's nutrients, flavors and juices locked in. Just burp your stasher to remove excess air and pinch the seal closed. Dishwasher and microwave safe. Platinum food-grade silicone is safe for use in the freezer, microwave, dishwasher, boiling water, and oven up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Start your stash. Half gallon 10.25 by 8.25 x 1.5 inches, 64 ounces, sandwich 7.5 inches by 7.5 inches by 1 inch, 28 ounces, snack 4.5 inches by 7.5 inches by 1 inch, 12 ounces, pocket 3.5 x 4.5 x 1, 4 ounces, stand-up mid 7.75 x 7 by 3, 56 ounces, stand-up mega 9.5 x 8.25 by 4.75, 104 ounces, stand-up mini 7.5 x 5.75 by 2.5, 28 ounces, go 5 by 8.5 by 1.5, 18 ounces. Top reviews from the United States. Good price for a good quantity. We already had one of these silicone bags and were extremely pleased with it. The only thing I was less pleased about was the price of that single bag. So this is a great deal. For a still high price of £50 we now got 4 extra bags. The bags are super useful, sturdy, yet durable and very flexible. We have a small, cramped fridge while I always cook a double portion, to save time the next day and still have a great meal. Therefore these stasher bags are great and more efficient to store leftovers compared to the bulky rectangular containers I have used so far. They are also far more environmentally friendly compared to the single-use plastic zipper bags that I would sometimes revert to.